Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are staying safe. In today's video, I'm going to share an amazing recipe that's how to make grilled prawns in green masala. That's very easy and quick, yet very healthy and extremely delicious too. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share as many more awesome recipes are coming up. So let's learn how to make grilled prawns at home in an easy way. So here I have taken around 250 grams of prawns, that's medium size, which I have de-shelled, de-veined, cleaned and washed. Now to this add salt as per taste, 1 lemon juice, and then 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and then set aside for 15 minutes. This is our first marination. Meanwhile, let's prepare the hara masala. To make a very quick hara masala, I have taken 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, you may adjust as per your taste, 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Now we're going to grind all this. So add it to a grinding jar and then add little salt and grind it to a smooth paste. Do not add water. And a green masala is ready. Now we're going to add this mixture to the marinated prawns. So pour in the mixture. And then to this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted and crushed coriander cumin powder. Now mix all well again. You may adjust the spices as per your taste. Now it's mixed well. Now to this I like to add some veggies. So here I'm adding some onions and capsicum. So add this to the mixture and then mix all well until they are well combined. It's well combined now. So marinate this for at least 30 minutes in a refrigerator. Now prawns are well marinated as you can see. Now let's start the grilling process. For that take a skewer and then take a prawns and pierce through the prawns as shown and bring it to its end, leaving some space to hold to flip during grilling. Now continue threading prawns and veggies. This is how I like to do. You can arrange as you want. It's a very simple to make recipe. With fresh and very few ingredients, it makes a delicious grilled prawns. You may also add mint leaves if you want while grinding. Now you can see our first skewer is ready. Look at it, how beautiful this looks. Now keep this into a plate. And let's move on. Let me show you again. Take a skewer, pierce the prawns and veggies by leaving little gap in between them and gap at the end and in the front, as it will help in flipping them during grilling. Similarly, continue with the remaining prawns and veggies. And your second skewer is also ready. Now similarly I have prepared the remaining skewers as you can see. And if you don't have veggies, don't worry, you may simply skew the prawns as shown and they are done. Now all are done. These are the ones without veggies and these are the ones with veggies. Now you may easily grill it in an oven. However, let me show you how to grill in a pan. For that, heat up a pan on medium-low flame and then brush it with oil. Then place the skewers one by one and do not overcrowd the pan, as it will give enough space and make the prawns and veggies to cook evenly. Now brush the prawns and veggies with oil as shown and then cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Remember, Prawns cooks very fast, hence do not leave it unattended. Keep flipping on each side until they are well cooked and they turn crispy. As you can see, they have started changing color. And do not overcook them, otherwise prawns will turn rubbery texture. Ideally, prawns gets cooked within 5 minutes. Look at the color and texture. It looks so beautiful and it's well cooked. The texture is crispy and it tastes fresh, juicy and delicious. It's a must-try recipe and it's a treat to all seafood lovers. Each and every prawns and veggies are well grilled. It's very easy and quick recipe, yet very healthy and delicious too. It's well cooked, so now transfer it to a plate. Now continue grilling the remaining prawns by brushing oil over it and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are well cooked, and you'll find that all the prawns and the veggies are evenly cooked. It's a very simple yet very delicious recipe. So serve it hot and the aroma is super flavorful and tempting too. It's a very simple to make recipe and a great delight to serve during meals or snack times, especially during Ramadan. So do try this grilled prawns at home and leave your comments below. Hope you like this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself and stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Happy cooking. Bye bye.